If you think about it, everything from a back office perspective that's helping to protect an organization, helping to make an organization compliant with the different rules and regulations, we help automate that for folks.
Can you tell me about some of the key strategies that LogicGate is implementing to help companies address the threat landscape that we're currently in?
With the threat landscape, it's moving so fast, and there's just so many different risks around us. If you think about 5-6 years ago, third-party risk wasn't a big part of it. Cyber risk is becoming more and more prevalent, obviously. So the ability to take in different threat vectors from different organizations, and then take that data and really make logical sense of the threat landscape within an organization, that's what we do really well.
But how do you evolve through ever-changing and evolving regulations?
It's not just regulations. So obviously, the lovely regulatory body are constantly putting out more regulations. So being able to stay top of mind with those regulatory bodies and those standards, but also being able to, as they change and update, being able to bring in that data and then inform the relevant parties within an organization of what has updated and what has changed, and do we need to do reassessments to make sure that we are compliant with those is a big portion of what we do.
What are some of the biggest trends and challenges you're seeing in today's landscape?
One is cyber continues to be a top of mind prevalent thing, but more and more, and at RSA, it's all about AI, right? So you need to have capabilities. We actually just launched one called our AI governance solution that helps organizations really understand where all the AI use is within an organization, and how do you assess that? How do you sign off on that? How do you approve that? How do you then tie that to the AI regulations that are coming out? How do you approve or tie that to the policies and the procedures that you have in your organization that people have signed off on from an AI perspective? And then it's not just about your own internal controls or your own internal AI uses, your own internal security posture. It's about the third parties, because more and more, if you think about all the cyber attacks that are happening, they're not happening within an organization, they're happening through third parties into that organization.
You're only as good as your third parties. Well, thank you so much for joining me today.
I love it, thanks so much.